Hello champions, welcome back to MASICSAMINAT. Today we will be continuing the topic before that, the topic trigonometry. So in this session of trigonometry, we will be learning trigonometry using Pythagoras theorem. Then the Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. I thought we have explained hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent in the last session of trigonometry. So here we don't need to go back to where we stopped. So we start by drawing our triangle, a right angled triangle. Do not forget. Leveling it, normal leveling. And note, Pythagoras theorem is used to calculate only the sides of a triangle. It is used to calculate only the sides of a triangle. So we have side x, we have side 3 and side 4. Let's take this as our example. I hope you guys are with your biro and papers there for you to be able to jot down anything you think is important. So let's start by using the formula. Where is our hypotenuse? Here. We said hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle. It does not mean that even if it is the longest side, it has to have the largest number. It is the longest side, so it will have hy. Hypotenuse. Where is our opposite? Our opposite is x. So OP for opposite. Then here is what? Our adjacent. So let's solve it. According to our formula, it says hypotenuse squared. So what's our figure for hypotenuse? That's 3. That will be 3 squared is equal to, what is our opposite? X squared. It's very important. Plus, what is our adjacent? 4 squared. 3 squared is what? 3 times 3 is equals to x times x plus 4 times 4. I hope you understand what I'm doing here. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is still x squared. Then 4 times 4 is 16. You collect like terms. X squared is equal to 16 minus 9. Then x squared is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. So square root both sides. Square cancels square root. X is equal to 7. And in some cases, your numbers there or your figures might be measured in millimeters, centimeters, decimeter. But mine now, we are using centimeters. Let's solve another question. We draw our triangle. 1, 1, y. Our theta and our right angle. So here now, as we did for this place, we do same to this place. That's always remember to write down your formula before solving any question. It's because the formula was already here on this part of the board. That's why I did it right. So hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. What's our hypotenuse? The longest part of the triangle. That is 1 is equal to, what is our opposite? Y squared. square. The square there is very important because it is part of the formula. Plus, what is our adjacent? 1 square. 1 square is same thing as 1 times 1 is equals to y times y plus 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is same thing as 1. Y square plus 1. Y square is equal to, y square will be equal to 1 minus 1. Y square is equal to 0. Then square root both sides. Y is equal to 0. Root 0 is the same thing as, what will you multiply it twice and give you 0? So y is equal to 0 centimeters. Then I would love you to solve this question. So solve this question and let me know if you understand trigonometry using Pythagoras theorem more better. Yours lovely, MASICSAMINAT.